Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your study abroad blog with WordPress, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by accessing your WordPress login page. Enter your username and password to log into your dashboard. Navigate to the My Sites section if you're using WordPress.com. For self-hosted WordPress sites, click on Settings from the left sidebar. To recover your blog, first, check for backups. If you have set up automatic backups, locate your recent backup file. If not, consider using a plugin like Updraft Plus for future backups. Once you find the backup, click on Tools in your dashboard. Select Import to access the import tools. Choose the platform where your previous blog was hosted. Follow the prompts to upload your backup file. If you're unable to find a backup, reach out to your hosting provider's support. Ask if they have a backup service available for your website. If the site was deleted accidentally, inquire about restoring previous versions. Once you have your backup ready, return to the dashboard. Click on Appearance and then Themes to choose your site's design. Select a theme that suits your study abroad niche. Install and activate the theme to refresh your site's look. Next, go to Posts to add your recovered content. Select all posts to see what was previously published. If you have lost any content, you can manually recreate it from memory. Consider adding new posts that reflect recent study experiences. To improve your blog's functionality, explore relevant plugins. Visit the Plugins section and search for useful tools like SEO plugins. Install and activate plugins to enhance your blog's performance. Regularly update your website to keep it secure and functioning smoothly. Finally, preview your site to ensure everything is in order. Check the layout, images, and posts for accuracy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.